Hey there viewers, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best robot vacuums in 2021. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these robot vacuums, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first robot vacuum we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. Next up at our number 4 spot, we've got the iRobot Roomba i3 Plus. And coming in at number 3 on our list, we've got the iLife V3s Pro. Next up at number 2 on our list, we've got the Shark Ion R85. And last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the Roborock S4 Max. Alright viewers, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which robot vacuum you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.